Here's a question for you. Are you working harder now than ever and still not making that kind of income that gives you freedom? Yeah, that was me too. For 20 years, that was me. I'm breaking it down for you in a way that I wish somebody would have told me back then how I could make two passively. So stick with me for about 10 minutes as I'm going to walk you through a plan step by step that could earn you 2K a month. That's right. You heard me right. 2K per month residual. And even better than that, you get some gravy if you kick in an extra program or two. I'm not here to hype this all up. I'm just being straightforward with you. Like I really wish somebody would have done with me 20 years ago. I thought I was doing everything, and I mean everything. Let me tell you, I showed up early, I worked late, and I gave it 110%. I was loyal to that company. You know what I got? More work, a little bit more money, but I never had enough freedom, never enough time for my family. And I thought to myself, there has to be another way. But I didn't know what that was. So grab a coffee and I'm going to explain it to you. Everyone in my circle was doing the exact same thing. Long hours, hard work. At the end of it, their backs were sore, their elbows, their shoulders, you name it. They were breaking down. So I kept looking. And unfortunately, I kept working harder and harder. But I never brought home a better pay. Taxes took most of that away. Is that familiar? Maybe that's why you're here right now. There's a reason for it. Sometimes the Lord guides us in mysterious ways. So if you're tired of working hard and doing your best and feeling you're not really appreciating and waiting till the years go by, and they will go fast. One thing that my father said was as you get older, time gets faster. So if this sounds familiar, stay right where you are. Keep watching this video. This is it. I get it. I was there. And I'm telling you, that's not all there is to it. There's so much more than working hard, doing your best, and still ending up short. So here's the mistake I made. And I see so many people doing it every single day. They all think that working hard is the way to do it. Long hours is the way to do it. And look, I'm not telling you that working hard doesn't matter. It does matter. I'm not going to be the one to dismiss that. But if you're working hard on the wrong system, you're just suffering. That's just trading your time, your best years for someone else's dream. That's why the rich trade time for dollars and the poor trade dollars for time. The people making real money today, they don't work harder. They're plugged into a system that works for them while they sleep, while they travel the world, and most of all, while they spend time with their families. And one of the most accessible programs out there is available online right now today, especially made for people like you and me. Affiliate marketing combined with digital marketing. No products to create, no inventory, no short. Let me show you exactly how it works. Okay, here's the plan. It's a three-step plan. So step one, and pay close attention. Don't leave yet. Hold on. Step three is the one that most people skip. And it's the reason why most people never get past the number zero. The number one reason people don't make money is because they start jumping around from one to another. So many different programs out there, and many of them don't work. Or if they do, you have to buy a course that's way out of reach. I know that because I got caught in some of them. If you want a system that works, you pick one and you stick with it. Kind of like buying a car. You don't just jump from seat to seat. You pick one that you like, one that works for you, and you stick with it. Step two, most people overcomplicate everything. They try every platform at once. YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, Snapchat. The list goes on and on and on. Stop. Just pick one. Start with it. Build your followers and continue from there. Some of that all depends on you. Maybe you like talking a lot. YouTube's a great one. Maybe you just want to do short something because your camera shot. TikTok's a great one for shorts, and so is YouTube for shorts. Pinterest, Snapchat, Facebook, there's all different methods of delivery. Just where is your comfort point? And within that step two, creating content, asking people questions, answering the questions, explaining how things get done. And one of the most important parts people forget about is mentoring. It doesn't matter if you're a top executive or you're a beginner. Everyone gets mentoring, whether it's free or paid through a community or a school program, or maybe it's just a friend down the road. Step three is the one you've been waiting for, and it's the one that changes everything. Social media can ban you. Forums change their algorithm, their search patterns, but your email list is where it's all at. That is your foundation and your best asset. Even a list of 500 will get people to trust you. And that's what generates the 2K per month consistently. Because you get to email them recommendations of things you've tried, things you're doing, and how to make changes within their programs or within their business. Something you do today would get you an income tomorrow. That's not hype. That's how it works. A simple lead free magnet, a checklist for people to do, drives people to your comments to your email list, and you get to serve them and sell them a digital product all from home an AI platform in the background that does all the work for you. And that's what allows you to recommend them something that's valuable, something that's going to work for them. So, real quick, is this clicking for you? Hit that like button, hit that share button, but most of all, subscribe. Because you know what? That's what helps get this in front of more people. And somebody out there is needing help. Might be your friend, might be a neighbor. And if you want to know how to start, click ready in the comment. I'll send you my link and how you can start today. I know what you might be thinking. Mark, this sounds great, but really, where do I actually start today, this week? Here's what I do. If I was starting from zero all over again, day one, I would sign up for my affiliate program. It's a digital marketing program where you can resell a product you don't have to create, you don't have to store it, you don't have to ship it, and AI does everything for you in the back. Day two, I'd start creating my content. I'd do some of the lessons and start creating, and then go to some of the interactive live, and I mean live, interactive mentoring that goes on within our community. I wouldn't overthink the production and certainly not try to make everything picture perfect like a movie studio would do. Day three, I would set up my email and capture pages, all the tools and funnels that are provided, work on my scripts and who my perfect customer is, and then make an offer that someone couldn't refuse. Go to my emails and work on that list. And then each week, each month, you check your reports and see how you're doing. And just like any job, you'll find somewhere you can tweak, something you can change, and make it a little better and make it you. Make it individual, branding yourself as the prime person that knows exactly what you're doing. And let's face it, if you're like me, you've been around the block a couple of times. You've seen stuff. You know what works and you know what doesn't work. That's what you build on. Those will naturally create sales and naturally create your 2K a month. All you have to do is show up, stay consistent, and help those in need. Look, I can't go back 20 years. I really wish I could. And I know everybody out there said that if I could be 20 again, the things I would change. Not that I regret anything I did, but you'd certainly make some better changes and find yourself in a much better place now. So if you think you have the chance, you want to build something real, the opportunity is now, or you're going to miss this and you will miss the opportunity that I missed to create 2K a month as a beginner. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight. I can guarantee you that, because this isn't a scam. It's not a fly-by-night system, but I'm sure it'll change your life like it changed mine. If you're willing to take it to the next step, I've got more content just beneath me in the links below. Or maybe you want to check out the video that's next to come up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button up there. And most of all, drop a comment below. That's how we get out there. That's how we get our sales running. And that's how our word gets out there. That's how other people get help that they need. And if you know what that one thing is that's holding you back, the uncertainty of what it is about digital marketing or marketing in general or working online, put that in the comments below. Maybe I can answer that for you. But this isn't a course. It's a live, interactive mentoring program. And trust me, I read every comment. So hear me now, believe me later. I'm rooting for you.